In the ever-evolving landscape of culinary tools and gadgets, the spatula stands as an unsung hero, indispensable in every kitchen. As technology advances and culinary techniques evolve, the humble spatula has undergone a transformation, emerging as a multifunctional instrument tailored to meet the diverse needs of chefs and home cooks alike, from the meticulous handling of delicate ingredients to the seamless flipping of hearty dishes. The right spatula can make all the difference in achieving culinary excellence. In this guide, we delve into the top 5 spatulas, each distinguished by its superior quality, ergonomic design, and unparalleled performance. Join us on a journey through the culinary realm as we explore these 5 spatulas that have captured the hearts of chefs and home cooks alike, revolutionizing the art of cooking and baking with their unmatched precision and reliability. Number 5. KitchenAid Classic Slotted Turner, 1 size, black 2, 13.66 inch. About this item: large turner. The large turner's surface allows for easy food preparation and serving. The turner head measures 8.73 inches long x 3.38 inches wide. Durable, sturdy construction, stands up to everyday use and is heat resistant to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Use on all cookware, including nonstick. Heat resistant. The nylon material is safe for all cookware, including nonstick. The turner head is heat resistant to 450 degrees Fahrenheit per 232 degrees Celsius. Ergonomic design. The nylon fiberglass reinforced head provides support for the best performance in the kitchen. The glossy ABS handle features a DBOSS logo, as well as an ABS satin chrome-plated bolster and end cap. Dishwasher safe. This slotted turner is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Number 4. Sandalo Fish Spatula for Non-Stick Cookware. Slotted turner egg spatula. Wide thin spatula with European nylon blade for kitchen use. Egg flipper utensils. Black. About this item: main function: main for flip fish, egg and pancakes etc. Firm enough for flipping and thin enough for delicate crepes. It is of the perfect size for everything. It isn't so thin that it bends when you are flipping a pancake, and it isn't so stiff that you can't get under the pancake without destroying it. It is simply perfect. Temperature: the blade, heat resistant up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. For non-stick pan, keep it away from open wire like baking food. Not suitable for stainless pan, iron pan, which will over 410 degrees Fahrenheit during cooking time. Material: bright brushed stainless handle, European imported nylon made, LFGB standard, European food standard, with hole for hanging up. Don't use on iron pan. Steel pan, pans easily over 410 degrees Fahrenheit on fire. Thin blade, the wide thin edge, 0.004 inch thickness, but durable nylon blade does the turner job perfectly. Perfect for flipping longer foods like omelets and fish fillets. Slotted turner, easy to filter the oil out when frying foods. Size: 12.63.35 0.6 inch, weight: 2.5 ounces. All measurements are approximate. Safe, sturdy, light-weighted but sturdy. Utility for cooking, easy to use and clean, hand wash only. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Nylon Flexible Turner, black. About this item: flexible head slides easily beneath delicate food, heat resistant up to 450 F, safe for non-stick cookware, soft, comfortable, non-slip handle. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Small Silicone Flexible Turner, black. About this item: a necessary tool when cooking with non-stick cookware and bakeware, will not scratch pots and pans, has a thin, flexible edge that glides easily beneath foods, perfect for flipping fragile foods and keeping them intact, combines the strength of stainless steel with the advantages of silicone, outer silicone layer bonded to flexible stainless steel core. High heat resistant silicone head, soft, comfortable, non-slip grip makes the tool easy to use, safe to put in the dishwasher. The spatula cleans easily. Number 1. Pack of 2 silicone solid turner non-stick slotted kitchen spatulas, high heat resistant BPA-free cooking utensils, ideal cookware for fish, eggs, pancakes. Black. About this item, more safe and healthy. Unlike other ordinary sellers, we pay more attention to the safety of product materials. Our silicone spatula are made of food-grade silicone, free of BPA. Even at high temperatures of 446 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, there is no need to worry about melting or deforming. At the same time, the soft silicone won't scratch the coating, which can better protect your pot. The most thoughtful design, the high-quality 18/8 stainless steel is more durable and keeps you away from the trouble of kitchen utensils rusting or breaking. The anti-scald silicone handle is not easy to conduct heat and is more comfortable to hold than traditional utensils. While you enjoy a happy cooking time, you can better protect your hands from being scalded. Easy to clean. After each use, just wipe with hot water or put it in the dishwasher. You can easily clean and remove excess fat in food. The design of the round hanging hole makes it easier to dry. Just want to provide the best for you. Life comes from details. Bundle Pro Kitchenware insists on controlling the details. The modern black color can be freely matched with different kitchen styles. The soft food-grade silicone is designed for noise-free cooking. Thin and flexible edge is ideal for flipping. Our service: no one is born to be a good cook, but good kitchenware often gets twice the result with half the effort. Bundle Pro is a trusted kitchen utensil expert. We have been committed to providing customers with the highest quality kitchen utensils.